management muna tayo, no? Management and business goals. So, ano itong mnemonic na tungkol sa goals? Ito tawag nating dumb and hard goals. Yung dumb. Actually, mnemonic yung dumb eh. Yung D is dream-driven, U is uplifting, M is method-friendly, and B is behavior-triggered. So, self-explanatory naman to na pag ginamit mo yung dumb goals, dapat nagbabago rin yung inyong environment dahil dun sa goals na yon. Friendly yung method mo, nagkakaroon ka ng confidence at meron kang vision, meron kang dream at yung dream dapat ginagawa. Yan. Kasi mga tao may mga goals pero parang hindi nila masyadong ginagawa dahil wala silang pakiramdam nila hindi nila kaya. Yeah. Or wala silang resources. Diba? Pero doon pumapasok yung mga excuses kaya nawawalan tayo ng dream. So, itong hard goals naman. Hard goals. Yung hard is heartfelt, A is accountable, R is required, and D is difficult. So, itong hard goals, dapat may passion ka. So, kung hindi porket may passion ka, basta-basta ka nalang gagawa. At pag nagkamali, wala kang accountability. Lagi mong sasabihin, wala kang kasalanan, pointing fingers on someone else. Diba? Yun yung A eh. Yung R, kung ano yung required, yun ang gagawin mo. Yun ako talagang sasagarin mo yung limitation ng katawan mo, diba? Para magawa yun. And then yung D, siyempre kaya nga hard eh, difficult, mahirap para sa'yo. Both physically, emotionally, and mentally. So yun. Yun yung mga nalalaman natin ngayon. Hard and dumb goals. So, yun lang pa.